Hello, today is July 5th, 2018. My name is Luke Metzler, and I will be speaking about the nonprofit organization Ocean Conservancy and what it stands for. This presentation was compiled by Emanuele L. Mahmoud, Skylar McCauley, and myself. First, I'll open with a mission statement from the nonprofit. Founded in 1972, Ocean Conservancy promotes healthy and diverse ocean ecosystems and opposes practices that threaten ocean life and human life. Through research, education, and science-based advocacy, Ocean Conservancy informs, inspires, and empowers people to speak and act on behalf of the oceans. In all its works, Ocean Conservancy strives to be the world's foremost advocate for the oceans. Ocean Conservancy's 4 strategic priorities reflect the critical ocean conservation issues that will be the main focus of our efforts, including restoring sustainable American fisheries, protecting wildlife from human impacts, conserving special ocean places, and reforming government for better ocean stewardship. And now here is a preview of our main points. First, I will discuss the importance of the ocean. Then, what is Ocean Conservancy as a nonprofit? After, problems Ocean Conservancy addresses, solutions Ocean Conservancy offers, and the benefits from Ocean Conservancy. As at the bottom of the page is the nonprofit's logo. Understanding the ocean. The ocean supplies us with water, food, and half the oxygen we consume. The Earth is made up of approximately 71% water, with 96.5% of this water contained within our oceans. The ocean serves as a commercial source of income for many communities. What is Ocean Conservancy? Ocean Conservancy is a nonprofit organization that aims at working together to create science-based solutions for a healthy ocean, conserve biodiversity within the ecosystem, promote healthy communities. Major problems Ocean Conservancy addresses: poor ocean planning, pollution, and overfishing. Poor ocean planning. New and old industries are constantly competing for ocean space. Competition for space causes marine traffic. This results in separation of species from their natural habitats, an imbalanced ecosystem, a decline in fishing practices and economy. Now, before we talk about pollution, as you can see on the right, we have a couple graphics from the website. If not enough is done by 2025, 1 ton of plastic will be in the ocean for every 3 tons of fish. Pretty eye-popping. Plastics pose a dangerous threat to the well-being of sea creatures, the environment, and humans. Plastic is generally non-degradable, which includes straws, plastic utensils such as spoons and forks, and soda cups and water bottles. Ingestion of plastics by sea animals has increased by an alarming 40% in the last decade. Consumption of plastic-contaminated sea animals has put humans at risk of eating contaminated food. Overfishing. Overfishing happens when fish are caught at a higher rate than they are reproducing. Overfishing disturbs marine life, the ecosystem, and the economy. Now, solutions the nonprofit offers: smart ocean planning, international coastal cleanup, and Trash-Free Seas Alliance, and overfishing regulations. Smart ocean planning. Smart ocean planning involves placing the right people and the right data together to minimize conflict, protect the environment, and inform communities about the right marine practices. On the right, you will see the top 10 items collected in 2017 by Ocean Conservancy cleanup teams around the world. Leading the way with nearly 2.5 million items was cigarette butts, followed by food wrappers, plastic beverage bottles, plastic bottle caps, plastic grocery bags, other plastic bags, straws and stirrers, plastic takeout containers, plastic lids, and finally, foam takeout containers. The International Coastal Cleanup is a strategic plan to gather volunteers to clean up oceans around the world. The International Coastal Cleanup has been in existence for over 30 years. Over 220 million pounds of trash has been collected in 150 different countries around the world. The Trash Free Alliance. The Trash Free Seas Alliance is an alliance in which members pledge to work toward reliable solutions that will eradicate ocean trash. Some of the most popular production companies associated with the alliance include the Coca-Cola Company, Walmart, and Pepsi. Now here is an example of what the marine life look like when they're entangled in the trash that we throw into the oceans. Overfishing regulations. Ocean Conservancy realizes that governments should implement and enforce more regulations against overfishing. The Magnuson-Stevens Fishery Conservation Act, or MSA, has passed for Ocean Conservancy's efforts to prevent overfishing and help repopulate habitats. Fisheries are now updating the habitats and number of predator fish available for catch to better understand which areas of the ocean are off limits. And this data spotlight provided by Ocean Conservancy shows how much trash is truly being put into the ocean, and see it from another perspective, such as this one in the top left-hand corner. Enough plastic beverage bottles to fill over 5 standard swimming pools. Or in the top right corner, enough cigarette butts to line the distance of 5 marathons. And this one, towards the middle of the page under the shark, was shown earlier in the presentation, but it shows how many small itty-bitty pieces that are less than 2.5 centimeters are truly in the ocean. Now on to benefits. Ocean Conservancy's efforts have many benefits that influence the community, ecosystem, and administrative powers. Local hunters will benefit from conservation programs which ensure productive, healthy waters. Coordinated research efforts will improve the aquaculture industry. Improved coordination between the nation's armed forces and maritime interests to ensure national security at all times. A more balanced ecosystem due to reduced plastic ingestion and reduced entanglement. Fish consumers may be able to consume seafood with a reduced risk of plastic poisoning. More scientific and strategic fishing strategies will lessen destruction. Eliminating overfishing benefits the economy of coastal towns by bringing in tourists. In conclusion, why it's important to donate to Ocean Conservancy. Ocean Conservancy is a remarkable nonprofit organization fighting to solve the life-threatening issues challenging our oceans. Poor ocean planning, plastic contamination, and overfishing will continue to destroy our beautiful oceans unless we work together now. Ocean Conservancy offers a broad range of effective solutions to save this vital resource that affects all lives. The solutions offered by Ocean Conservancy provide rollover benefits for the environment, humans, economy, and administrative authorities. Here are a few of the references for our proposal. And in closing, to donate or volunteer For Ocean Conservancy, you can go to their website at www.oceanconservancy.org, and there you will also find many articles about cleanup efforts and how our littering of the ocean has affected the marine population around the world. My name is Doug Metzler, and thank you for coming to my TED Talk.